Hello! If you want to add connectors to an adjustable shelf, you have two options. First option is to select Interior, Adjustable Shelf, and make sure no connectors are selected. Then you drag your adjustable shelves to a cabinet and go to Cube Area Settings. Then on top panel, enter 4 to Adjustable Shelf Connector and save. If you now select the connector you want to use, it is added only to the adjustable shelf you just selected, as you can see here. Another option is if you have some connectors selected, drag your adjustable shelf to the cabinet, then set your shelf to adjustable shelf by entering 3 and hit enter and save. If you now select connector again, you can see that the other two shelves have the connectors set, and the shelf you set to adjustable shelf has no connector. This was how to add connectors to adjustable shelves. Thank you for watching.